Welcome. In this short video, I'm going to walk you step by step through installing TeamViewer on your MostEdge agent terminal. Your agent terminal is the Windows device where Mercury One is installed. This device acts as the central processing hub for your store's transaction activity. Installing TeamViewer allows the MostEdge support and technology teams to securely access this device to assist you whenever support is needed. Please make sure you are sitting at your agent terminal now before we begin. This will allow you to follow along and ensure you are able to properly download and install TeamViewer. From your agent terminal, open your internet browser. This can be Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In the address bar at the top, type teamviewer.com and press enter. Once the page loads, click the button that says Free Download. Your download will begin automatically. On the following page, click Download TeamViewer. Here you may need to select your operating system. When the download completes, click the file at the bottom of your screen that says TeamViewer Setup. Note, you may also see the download appear in the top of your screen. A setup window will appear. Select Default Installation, then select Personal, Non-Commercial Use. Click Accept, Next. If Windows asks for permission to allow this app to make changes, click Yes. TeamViewer will now open automatically. You will see a section labeled Your ID and Password. A MostEdge team member will use this information to connect securely when support is needed. It is very important to note that you should never uninstall or close TeamViewer. This application must remain running on your agent terminal so our team can assist you quickly whenever you need support. With that, you have successfully completed the TeamViewer installation on your MostEdge agent terminal. Well done. This ensures fast, secure, and reliable remote support whenever you need assistance. Thank you for completing this important step. We look forward to being there for you every step of the way.